How the Black Sea's Anoxic depths preserved 65 ancient shipwrecks. Faint shafts of light cut through the inky water, illuminating particles that drift like cosmic dust. Below 50 fathoms, beyond 150 meters, the Black Sea yields its secret, a realm without oxygen where decay comes to a standstill. Here lies an underwater museum of silence, holding more than 65 shipwrecks as pristine as the day they sank, spanning over 2 millennia. At the surface, sunlight nurtures plankton blooms and darting schools of fish. But descend past the Chemocline, a sharp boundary at roughly 150 meters, and the water turns poisonous to life. Hydrogen sulfide floods the depths, starving bacteria and wood borers of oxygen. In this dead zone, organic materials escape rot, and even metal resists corrosion. Sailors once feared these waters. Today, archaeologists revere them as Earth's greatest preservative. Between 2015 and 2017, the Black Sea Maritime Archaeology Project mapped 2,000 square kilometers of seabed, one of the largest deep-sea archaeological surveys ever undertaken. Side-scan sonar revealed ghostly hull shapes. Multi-beam echo sounders traced every contour. Then ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, descended into darkness, their lights slicing through blackness. Across storm-swept plains, the team identified 65 wrecks at depths from 150 to more than 2,000 meters. One discovery defies belief. At nearly 2 kilometers down, ROV cameras revealed a 22-meter Greek trading galley, carbon-dated to around 400 BCE. Its hull timbers lie intact, benches still bolted in place, and oars tucked alongside. Resin-sealed amphorae scatter the deck, once filled with wine and olive oil. This is the first fully preserved classical vessel ever recorded in 3 dimensions, a time machine to Homeric seas. Hundreds of kilometers north, another story emerges. Sleek Cossack raiders from the 17th century lie side by side with Ottoman merchant caravels laden with ceramic jars. Grain kernels remain inside storage vessels. Leather sandals rest beneath wooden benches. These ships chart shifting empires and teeming trade routes, from the Crimean coast to Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. What makes such preservation possible? In the Mediterranean or Atlantic, wood borers and bacteria reduce ancient wrecks to barnacled ruins within decades. But beneath the Black Sea's Chemocline, hydrogen sulfide annihilates oxygen and decay halts. It's as if nature placed these ships in a deep freeze 2,000 years ago. Human divers cannot withstand pressures beyond a few hundred meters. Instead, ROVs equipped with robotic arms, suction samplers, and ultra-high-definition cameras do the work. These mechanical explorers have captured over 250,000 HD photographs and hundreds of hours of UHD video. Digital archives that may outlast the wood and iron they record. Through these images, we glimpse daily life aboard. Amphorae still sealed, their contents intact. Bronze coins scattered like treasure. Fragments of rope and canvas preserved as if woven yesterday. In one Roman-era wreck, multicolored textiles, once coarse linen dyed in vivid reds and blues, cling to timbers. Leather pouches hand-stitched 2 millennia ago preserve faint imprints of their contents. Such organic relics would vanish within years in oxygen-rich seas. The Black Sea's chemistry extends its reach beyond archaeology. Climate scientists study anoxic conditions here to refine models of carbon storage in modern dead zones. regions off coastal shelves where nutrient runoff creates oxygen-starved waters. Astrobiologists look to these depths as analogs for icy moons like Europa, where subsurface oceans may harbor life under oxygen-poor layers. Understanding how organic matter endures here helps guide our search for life beyond Earth. Yet even this undersea sanctuary faces threats. Illegal salvagers dredge wrecks for profit, ripping artifacts from fragile timbers. Fishing trawlers drag nets that shear through hulls, scattering history across the seabed. Microplastics, tiny shards of human waste, now infiltrate the deepest sites. To protect these time capsules, international teams race to build digital twins, high-resolution 3D models and virtual reality experiences, so the world can explore without disturbing a single artifact. As the ROV lights wink off one by one and we ascend toward the sunlit surface, scientists on deck pore over databanks, stitching together the Black Sea's hidden narrative. These 65 ships speak in silent testimony to ancient trade, naval warfare, and everyday lives at sea. They remind us that history need not crumble into dust. Sometimes it lies waiting, untouched, in the world's quietest depths. So next time you gaze upon open water, remember, beneath the waves, in zones where oxygen dares not tread, rest perfectly preserved vessels from civilizations long gone. They whisper stories of human endeavor, waiting for us to listen, explore, and learn. If you enjoyed this voyage into the Black Sea's forgotten fleet, hit subscribe and ring the bell to join us on our next deep-sea exploration. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What ancient mystery should we uncover next?